Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Donut Divine and grow a garden. First, understand that this special plant requires specific conditions to thrive. We'll cover everything from initial planting to harvesting, ensuring you get the most out of your efforts. Follow these instructions carefully to cultivate a bountiful crop of Donut Divine. It's a rewarding process that adds unique value to your garden. To begin your Donut Divine journey, you'll need to gather the right ingredients. Start by purchasing Donut Divine seeds from the game's shop. Next, prepare your garden plots with rich soil, which typically costs about 500 coins per plot. Finally, make sure you have at least 10 units of premium fertilizer on hand. This is crucial for accelerating growth and ensuring a high-quality yield. Once you have your seeds and soil, it's time to plant. Place each Donut Divine seed in a prepared plot, ensuring each plant has a 2x2 grid space to grow. Consistent watering is key, so water your plants every 8 hours. Additionally, apply your premium fertilizer once every 24 hours to boost their development and ensure they reach their full potential. After 72 hours of diligent care, your Donut Divine plants will be ready for harvest. You can expect each plant to yield between 3 and 5 Donut Divine, providing a great return on your investment. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious harvest and continue expanding your Grow a Garden empire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.